See how to fix bad sound quality issues in Windows. So for this, you need to go for Advanced Manager. These are the common issues, so we can fix it quickly. And go to audio input and output. Here you can check the speaker. Right click it, and you need to go for update drivers. And you can go with automatic mode or else manually you can pick it. So for manual picking is much more good. And check for scan for hardware changes. Sometimes the update will comes under Windows update, so you need to check for it. And after you need to disable and check. Disable, you need to enable once again. So if you're doing this type, if it's not enabling means the hardware has some issues. Okay, so if enable means it's okay, the hardware does not have any issues. So after that you need to go to sound, video and game control, and right click the Realtek audio and update the drivers. So I always prefer with browse my computer. It's much more good for compare with automatic installation. After that, you need to go back and you can go with control panel. Click the control panel settings, and here you need to go for a lodge icon and click the sound settings. And here you can see the playback speaker is done. In this, you need to right click it, and the test disable configure speakers or that. You are going to do that. For that, go to properties, and here you can see the level. You need to lower and upper the level. If it really doing good means going up down means it's okay, there is no problem. And check the exclusive mode options, all should be in enable mode. And 16-bit 48 hertz should be the recommended hertz. So these should be there. And once again you need to click test. That time sound will be produced. If it produced correctly, it's okay. If not produced means they have issues with hardware. And click OK. After come back and you need to restart your PC to make the efficiency. Thank you.